Alright guys, so the goggles do not come equipped with the padding. The padding is obviously over here. You've got these stickers here. You have to remove the stickers from here, then attach them over there, and then this will Velcro onto like that. And so I'll get some of that stuff done for you guys so you guys can see the way that I do it. And I should have done it before putting on the straps, obviously. But there you go. There you go. I wasn't smart enough to do that. I just didn't know how to do it. Didn't figure it out early enough. I didn't read the instructions. That's why these things are unscripted, as I say. You don't really know what's going to happen. Will I destroy the thing? Will I not destroy it? We won't know until it's done.
Likey